manager, teachers, judges, and all my dear students. Good morning to you all. This is Priyank Means from class 11th A, Red Group. Here I am presenting about prohibition of drugs. Drugs are often portrayed as an escape, a temporary relief from pain, stress, and trauma. But in reality, it is a trap. They destroy health and they destroy a family and fuel crime and communities the personal and let it be the we value health over harmful. We value the addiction and the drug prohibition barriers between our communities and the chows and the drugs over the causes. In conclusion, the prohibition is not enough. We need to education, we need to support system, we need to rehabilitation programs. We need to treat the addiction, the prohibition of causes. Thank you.
Respected principal, teachers, judges, and all my dear friends, a very good morning to you all. My name is Akansha Beg, member of Green Group. I am going to speak about prohibition of drugs. Prohibition of drugs is a complex issue in our society as well as in our country. It means illegal drug supply. Drug abuse is a silent enemy that destroys dreams, break families, and end lives. But we have the power to fight back with awareness, support, and courage. Nowadays, government is taking strictly action on drugs. Government is making law to control the drugs. But our young generation are totally affected by it. The goal of prohibition is to reduce drugs. Many people are affected by drugs. By using drugs, our sense organs are getting damaged. Many people are losing their life. Each life is valuable. Each choice matters. Let's be a role model who show the success, happiness, and peace. Say no to drugs, say yes to life, love, and endless possibilities. Say no to drugs, yes to life, endless possibilities. Thank you.
Judges, teachers, and all my dear friends, a very good morning to you all. Today, I want to talk about very important and serious topic: prohibition of drug. Prohibition of drug means banning the use, sales, and production of harmful drugs. This is important because
Edmond Bada, our principal, our guests, teachers, and all my dear friends. Good morning to everyone. I, Sandhya Rani Bhagat, the student of class 12A from Yellow Group, is here to present the topic named Prohibition of Drugs. First of all, what is drugs? Drugs are the substances that alter mental and physical function. They are used for medical treatment, recreation. Some drugs are legal or prescription medication, while some drugs are illegal due to their potential form. Some harmful drugs forms are alcohol, weed, tobacco, cigarettes, which make a person unpredictable and dangerous. Today, a man considers drugs as a mean of peace, but it is not true. In some extent, drugs are beneficial in relation with medicine, but it is limited. It uses beyond the limits. It can prove fatal for man. Addiction is a chronic condition which affects many aspects of our life. Thousand cases of people dead have been reported all over the world due to drug addiction, in which the mostly affected are young generation. Due to this addiction, human body has become a victim of disease. It harms human mentally and physically. It causes health problems like hypertension, asthma, heart failure, mouth cancer, skin cancer, even suicidal thoughts may lead to death. So, the prohibition means production and distribution and use of these substances are legally punishable. The primary legislation prohibition of drugs is the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Drugs. The Act NDPS in 1985 is the central law governing drug-related offences in India. Its purpose is to control production, sale, purchase, storage and consumption of narcotic drugs and psychotropic drugs. We, the people of India, we have to save the people from the falling prey to drugs. We have to strictly prohibit consumption of drugs, mostly in youth. Rules and means should be implemented in school, colleges, families and societies to avoid coming in contact with drugs and we should get knowledge about the drugs from newspaper, ads, various internet forms so that there will be peace, humanity, prosperity and there will be progress. Progress will arise in our country. Thank you.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak today on a matter that affects individuals, families and entire society, the prohibition of drugs. Drugs are often portrayed as an escape, a temporary relief from pain, stress or trauma. But in reality, they are entraps. They destroy health, break apart families, fuel crime and detrain communities of their potential. The war against drugs is not just about preserving our life, but it's for safeguarding our youth and preserving our future. Why do we prohibit the drugs? Because we know that they bring the danger. Illegal drugs like heroin and cocaine and even the misuse of prescription medication. To the World Health Organization, over 500,000 people die every year. That's 7 million lives, dreams unfulfilled and families scattered. Let's be clear, prohibition alone is not enough. We need education, we need support system, we need to treat people as a human health, not as a criminal one. Prohibition makes the draw line between what we accept and what we reject as a society. In conclusion, the prohibition of drugs is not just a policy, it's a moral stance. It says, we choose our life over addiction.
To all the excellences, respected principals, managers, teachers and judges. I am Adar Sikka from 11th class from Green Group. The topic of my speech is prohibition of drugs. The prohibition of drugs is not about banning the drugs, but it's about saving the lives. The drugs are chemical substance that can change how you feel, think and act. Using drugs can start as a choice. It can courteous and pressure. It is a very harmful thing. Today you can see I am here speaking about drugs and many like me outside who are using drugs. Various type of drugs like opium, weed means ganja. All these type of drugs are taken by students and teenagers. Drugs also have adverse effect on relationships and crime is taking place in our country. Some impact on students,
Some impact of drugs on students: health problem, mental problem, loss of interest in studies, hobbies, family problem, bad company. Don't let your mistakes define you. Don't let your mistakes define you. Let your progress do that. So let us all work together to make our country, homes, school drug free. Thank you.
Principal, judges, teachers, and all my dear friends. A very Amisha Bhagat from Blue House. Today, I am stand here to perform the topic of the prohibition of drugs. Drugs are among the most dangerous individual
prohibition of drugs. As we all know that drugs is taking drugs can be harmful. Pharmaceutical dealers create a network addicted to drugs. And they fail to get any kind of emotional including support program to remove your free from drugs. Those who participated in big hand, please give them. Now we have the mission of
our children can get green land to live, pure air to breathe, pure water to drink. So let us not be the visitors to earth, but let's be inspired. Thank you.